Alright guys, tonight we are watching another one of my all-time favorites. This is probably in my top 3 all-time favorites, which is kind of strange for a dude. But I have 3 kids and one of them is a daughter. And when this movie came out in 2005, it instantly became one of my favorites. Because of Winn-Dixie. This movie is based on a book, which I can't tell you how it compares because I just haven't read it. But the person who wrote the book had a lot to do with this movie, so I think it is pretty close. If you've seen this movie, you know what this is back here, and you probably know what this is too. We're gonna make both of them tonight, and we are gonna have an awesome movie night on the deck with our projector and our big screen. We're gonna go shopping, we're gonna make that bottle tree, we're gonna decorate outside, we're gonna make our snacks. I got some trivia for you, and we are going to watch Because of Winn-Dixie. So ever since we moved in here, I've been wanting to make this tree a bottle tree. This tree is right in my backyard, right off the back deck. And look at all those branches. This tree is perfect for 2 things: treehouse and a bottle tree. I don't think I could get away with building a treehouse. So today, we're gonna turn this into a bottle tree. In the movie, Gloria Dump refers to it as a mistake tree, with the idea being that every empty bottle you hang on the tree is a mistake you've made in the past that you wanna learn from moving forward. So the first thing we need to do is find a whole bunch of bottles, preferably a variety of size, shape, color. And the only place I know that I can do that in one fell swoop is the Harvest Thrift Store in Sugar Creek, Ohio. This place is like 45 minutes from my house, but if we pull this off in one stop, it's gonna be worth it. Let's just take a quick look outside here first, because they always have a lot of stuff sitting outside. This is an Amish thrift store, but they always have a ton of stuff. Here's a whole bunch of string, but we need like baling twine to hang these. Yeah, here's some mugs and glasses, but the bottles are inside. So there's usually like a bunch in different areas around the store. So if we're looking for a variety, they definitely have them. Look at the shape of this one. That's cool. Man, it's gonna be hard not to get distracted in here. Look at all these movies. VHS, they got DVDs over here. I don't see any Blu-rays. For the moment, let's stick with the bottles though. I know they're right back here. I've been here a million times. All right, here we go, right here. Look at this. We have a whole bunch of Coke, Fanta, Sprite. Here's some alcohol bottles here, wine. These look like the newer Coke bottles and that, but here's a Mountain Dew bottle. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. An old green Mountain Dew bottle, 16 ounces. Definitely getting that one, $1.99. This one's 49 cents. Here's a clear one back here, $1.99. We'll take that one. Here's another clear one, Baltic Mill Winery, 49 cents. What is this here? Samuel Adams, 99 cents. Yep, I think we'll get one of these. That's only 49 cents. Well, that's cool. That has kind of like a square bottom to it too. Here's a good handful of them here. This one's 99 cents. Breitenbach Red Raspberry Wine, 99 cents. Chardonnay, Yellowtail Merlot, Cameron Hughes. A lot of these are only 49 cents. Ooh, look at these. That's a cool shape right there. I don't know what kind it is, but it's only 99 cents. Here's a maple syrup bottle. I want to get this one just for the shape of it. You know what, let's go ahead and get 2 of this kind since they have them. They have a lot of bottles around the store like this one that's already painted. Here's a red one back there. I really don't want the painted ones, however, I do want a red bottle in the mix. I don't know, I'll hold off. See, they got this one here that's like a beer bottle or something covered with yarn. More painted bottles here. I like that yellow. But yeah, I just want to find regular bottles. I thought this would be cool, old 7-Up bottle, but $4.99, I don't think so. All right, let's take a quick look at these DVDs here. Let's see, we do have a couple of Blu-rays here. Rush Hour 3, Hangover, The Great Summer Campout, No. Catch Me If You Can, that's a good one. I think I have Speed Racer at home, but I've never actually watched it. Scooby-Doo 2, Monsters Unleashed. Wayne's World 2. 17 again, that one's hilarious. Zac Efron. The Simpsons movie. The Longest Yard. Aw, yeah, High School Musical. The Master of Disguise. Turtle, turtle, turtle. Evan Almighty's hilarious. Oh, Boys in the Hood Blu-ray. Disney's Tower of Terror. That one's not even open. Alright, enough with the DVDs. I'm on a time limit right now. We only have 11 bottles so far. I think we're going to have to go down the street to one more thrift store. Okay, yeah, so there's one bunch right there. I think that was 11 bottles. Alright, I was looking for another one, and right up the street I found Froman Thrift Store. Abe Froman, Sausage King. Alright. Oh no, more DVDs. Okay, stick with the plan. Oh yeah, here we go. Alright, 50 cents. This is giant, but I like it. $2.50. 75 cents. 50 cents. Another 50 cents. Ooh, I like this one, but $4.50, man, I don't know. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. $4. This is very similar to the punch bowl that they use in this movie. We're getting it. Look at this. It even comes with little teacups. That is hilarious. Really hoping to find some baling twine in here too, so I don't have to make another stop. All right, $9 for all that, guys. One more. Mission Thrift in Berlin, Ohio. I would like to find just a couple more bottles before we head home. All right, here's a couple right here. How much is that? $1.50 a piece? All right. Oh my gosh, look at this. I find baling twine and it's way too thick. However, here's a basket for E.T. Oh boy. Look at this. Romancing the Stone. Yes! Raiders of the Lost Ark, not even open. Warm Bodies. That's a zombie movie. It's time to get out of here. 2 bottles and an E.T. basket. Alright, I was heading home. I was able to get my rope, my twine at Kime Hardware. Right there. We're back in my area. We're at Giant Eagle to get a couple things here. We need to get an orange. Let's get a nice one we can slice. And it's a little dirty. That one looks good. We also want a lemon that we can slice. That feels nice. They gotta be kind of firm so you can slice them right. And let's get a lime. That looks like a good one right there. All right, I need some bread for sandwiches. We need paper lunch bags. 50 paper bags. All right, here we go, some Milo's sweet tea. And I think that is all we need, except for this little ditty that I found at Sam's Club. What the heck? Dill pickle corn puffs. Okay. Oh, man, does that smell good. The pickleballs, not so much. So we've got our peanut butter sandwich, our jar of pickles, and our awesome tea with oranges, limes, and lemons in it. And we have our little teacup here, so we're gonna have a taste. I'm not a big tea person, but not too bad, actually. Okay, before we go, let's take a look at the outside here, guys. This was an enormous job. You can see we've got our bottles hanging from the tree over there. You can see those much better in the daylight. 21 bottles on that tree, and it could use a whole lot more. But it still turned out looking pretty good. We got our string lights up here with the paper bag lanterns just like they made in the movie. These actually turned out pretty cool. I wasn't sure if it was going to work or not, but they definitely turned out looking good. And this is how the porch looks right now. We got our whole setup over here, getting ready to kick back and watch the movie. I got the projector over here going, and we got the movie going right here on the 120-inch screen. Very cool. All right, well, I'm gonna go in and get my bride and some snacks, some tea, our peanut butter sandwiches, and we are gonna kick back right here and have our little tea party and watch Because of Winn-Dixie.